Hello family, welcome back to Kudos Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video I will take you through the native wallet of Islamic Coin by HAQQ network. The wallet is called HAQQ, and today I will tell you how you can use the wallet and stake tokens within the wallet to earn extra Islamic coins. Now remember, I have created a detailed video about Islamic Coin and the airdrop, so do check out that video first. The link is shared in the description of this video, and also you can click on the link above to watch all the videos related to Islamic Coin. Now let's get started with HAQQ network, and let me introduce you with the app. Type HAQQ wallet in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. This is the option that you get. Now click install and install the HAQQ wallet official app. Now it will open like this, and it will give you two options: to create account or connect ledger. So here you need to click create account, and then you need to set 6-digit pin code. Set 6-digit pin code that you remember, and after that move to the next step. You can repeat the pin code to verify it, and then you can enable or disable fingerprint. Now this is the main page that you will see here, and in this page you need to click claim your free ISLM token. Of course it will ask you to backup. I'm not putting the backup right now, just for this video. So click on the claim your free ISLM token and just do this step, and automatically you will receive ISLM token reward. You need to refresh it here, and then you will receive 0.01 ISLM token. So yes, you will getting it for free. Now go to staking by clicking the earn option below and choose the validator. There are a lot of validator. I will choose one of the highest, let's say Sharia staking, which is shown right over here. Delegate, just click delegate, and it is giving me 11% APR, and this is how much I will put. I will put maximum. In the future, if I want to undelegate the staked funds, it will take 21 days. So keep this in mind before putting your tokens to staking. So below staking you can see the raffles option, which is also another option that allows you to participate in raffles and receive prizes. Of course it is not available right now, but keep on checking your wallet because it can be available anytime. So go to settings, and you can just play around, choose the provider. You have testnet, you have mainnet, all the details has been given. Just play around with the wallet. It is very well made, and just go back and play around. So that's it. That's how you can get the ISLM free tokens by installing the wallet. Remember, for another step you need to connect your MetaMask wallet. How? That step have been shown by me in the video shared below. So do watch that video and do install this wallet also and claim more tokens with time. So that's how easy it will work.